Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make butter boiled corn on the cob. This is one of the easiest ways to serve corn on the cob because the butter is already infused into the cob as well as the salt and pepper, so everything's ready to go. Start by shucking 6 ears of corn. Just rip off the husks, pull off the silks, crack the end, and there you go. And then we'll break each cob in half so you have individual servings. Then you're going to bring 6 cups of water to a boil in a shallow saucepan, or you can use a larger pot. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add in 2 cups of milk. This will make it nice and creamy. I recommend using either whole milk or 2%. We'll go ahead and pour that in, and you'll add in an entire stick of salted butter. Then wait for the butter to melt while the mixture returns to a boil. Now, a fun option for all of you garlic lovers out there, if you would like a garlic butter corn on the cob, add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Season with 1.5 teaspoons each of salt and black pepper. Then, all that's left to do is let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes until the corn is tender. This style of corn on the cob is absolute perfection because there's no need to add extra mess at the table by rolling them in butter or trying to figure out how to add salt and pepper to that roly corn on the cob. These are ready to eat as is, which is perfect for feeding a crowd. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.